Rachel, and today I am back. I realise that this is a bit of an odd start to a video. You're like, what am I looking at? I've got some happy mail in the post today, and I was going to film this tomorrow. I've just finished filming a memory planning video. And I was just about to take my setup down, and then I was like, oh, no, I need to do this because I just want to get into it and I want to open it. I'm so excited. So I got this little parcel today from the Angel Shop. I just want to say a quick thank you to Angel for sending this to me. It's super sweet of you. She gave me a bit of credit to spend in the shop, and I chose to buy this. This was something that was recently released in the shop. From what I could gather, it was really popular. I think it might have sold out at some point. It might be back now. Go and check. There are so many exciting things coming out at the Angel Shop. She's been doing some planners. I've seen her showing sneak peeks of covers, key rings. Oh, I'm so excited. But anyway, this is what I got with my credit. So I have opened it just so that I can not show my address on the other side, but I haven't opened it inside. Okay, so there are two things that I picked up. Oh my gosh, look at the packaging on this one. We're going to put this one to the side for now because this one is already opened up, or easy to see, should I say. So we've got a bit of glare going on. I'm really sorry, but this is one of the covers for the task planner, the B6 task planner that I very kindly got sent and have been using as my book log. And I have to say, it works out absolutely perfectly for that use. I definitely plan to continue on in that planner. When I fill up, I'll get another one. Might try a different colour. There's a few different colours in the shop. But yeah, she brought out some jelly covers and I decided to pick one up. And the one that I went for has got this very pretty floral design on it. It's difficult for you not to get a glare. If I hold it like that. Oh, you see, I should have filmed this tomorrow and then you wouldn't have got the glare. Can you see that? Just really delicate, pretty white flowers. So I can put that on and then I will show you. Okay, so here we go. I've got it on. I'm going to just hold it up so you don't get any glare from it. You can see the very subtle pattern in it, which is absolutely beautiful. We've also got some pockets. We've got this pocket here, which is sort of a slit one, and I'm going to be able to put some kind of bookmark or die cut in it. We've got this one here, which is a scalloped pocket there. We have also got two at the back. We've got this one, which is a scallop, and then we've got this one, which is more of a secretarial pocket. We also have a pen loop as well, which I probably won't use. I don't use pen loops in any of my planners really, aside from my micro, and the main reason for that is because I don't really take them out of the house, so I don't have a use to put my pens in the pen loops. I just put them in my pencil case. So yeah, that is my cover for that. I adore it. I absolutely love it. I won't do it now because of the glare, but I will see if these covers fit on a B6 Stalogy, and that might be something useful for some of you to know, and also for me to know, because it means that I can swap out. So what is in here? What is in here? Oh, I'm excited. Oh. Okay. Okay, so I knew that this was in here, but I didn't know that these were in here. Oh, I'm excited. I am super excited. Okay, so now then, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the listing up. Let's move that so we've got no glare. I'm going to get the listing up. Oh, that's a sticker. Oh, I'm going to stick that in my book log. Oh, I love it. This packaging, by the way, incredible. Right, let's get this out then. Oh, I'm so freaking excited. I've been waiting for this. So it was pre-order at the time. So I did have to wait a little minute for it to ship, and the anticipation nearly killed me. Okay, so I am definitely keeping this tissue paper and using it for something else. Okay, so we've got a little dust bag. Oh, this is so sweet. It feels lovely. So what do I have in here? I have one of these. Oh my God, it feels amazing. Oh, it feels amazing. I'm a sucker for a pebbled leather anyway, but this feels absolutely amazing. Right, so now you've seen what I've got, I'm going to get the details up on here, and then I can give you the correct information. So, am I in the right place? I am not in the right place. Will it be a new? Oh my, this page 1 of 52. I'll skip to when I get there. Okay, here I have got the listing up. So this is the Luxe Catch All, or the LCA for short, and it is just absolutely beautiful. So I don't think this comes with it. This is separate. I just wanted to make sure that I gave you the correct information. I didn't want to tell you that this was with it if it is separate or not. Hang on. Let's get this. Will not be restocked once sold out, and there's 7 left in stock. So if you want one, you're going to need to get one. So okay, so it comes with a detachable wristlet chain, but the pearl keychain is not included. But I think both are in here. I'm just going to double check that there's not a separate one inside. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's got leather through it. Oh my God, I love this. Oh, the zipper's got a heart on it. Right, let's get this off here. I can fit my phone in here. Okay, now I'm going to tell you something, because I like to be honest on these unboxings and things. I like to tell you my thoughts. I thought this was smaller than it is. Now, the fact that it's bigger is a bonus, because what my plan was, I currently carry, which I'll show you in a minute, in my bag, 2 little coin purses, and one I have my coins in and one I have my bank cards in, because I can't fit both in one, and it really annoys me that I have to carry 2. So what my plan was to put my change and my cards in here and to tuck it inside my handbag, because I just thought that it was that size. But I'm going to be able to fit my phone in here, so I'm not going to need... Oh, what am I doing? This is really hard to get off because of my nails. Okay, we've done it. I should have pulled it upwards instead of downwards, but I'm stupid. So yeah, so what I'm going to be able to do is to put my phone in it, probably in here, put my change in it, anything else that I need for school run. I carry a little treat. When I pick Paige up, I always take her some kind of treat. And if I need my bank cards, I can tuck them in there. So I don't even need to carry my big bag anymore. I'm still going to show you whether or not it fits in my handbag. So here we are. There's the details where you can find the shop on the back there as well. I love it so much. I couldn't be any happier with this. It is a gorgeous, what I would call dusty pink colour. You know the type, very, very similar to the pink Motum if you've got one of those. I don't actually have one currently to compare, but I have had one, and that's definitely what it reminds me of. Oh, or like ballerina slipper from Foxy Fix. I'm totally in love with this. I could not love this anymore. Right, so let's get this on here. Okay. Oh, I love it. Let's have a look at this as well. So this is one of the keychains. Thank you so much for sending me this as well. This is gorgeous. Oh, this really is gorgeous. Look at that. I'm going to stick this on the end of here. Okay, there we go. Oh, I love it so much. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love it. That's actually probably going to go on here as well, I think. I think I'll have the both on here. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's where that's going to go. Okay, right. So my idea was originally, when I didn't realise it was as big as it was that I was going to put it in here, which is my handbag, which currently at the moment is one from Pom Pom London. I absolutely love it. This colour is the lilac, but in real life, I mean, you can see sort of, it looks different comparing it to this. It looks very brown actually, but it's not. It's more of a pinky lilac rather than a purpley lilac, if you know what I mean. Let's get rid of that. And my idea was that I was going to take these 2, which I carry around with me. This one I just got from Primark in the UK. This one was a present from my friend Alison, and she went to the very first ever Starbucks in Seattle, and she bought me this, and I will keep it and treasure it forever because I just think it's amazing. She gets me the best gifts. I'm going to take my cards out off camera, and I'm just going to use a couple that it doesn't matter if I show you the numbers of. Do I have anything? Oh, not so much. Let's go with the one that came in it, and doesn't really matter if you see my co-op card, I don't suppose. So yeah, my plan was to put it in here. Now, is this going to fit? I think it will still fit, actually. It will still fit in, but it is a bit, this is a small handbag, by the way. I mean, you can see my hands. So don't think that it won't fit in a bigger handbag. I have a ton of handbags that this will fit in. If I didn't have all of this junk in here, it would go in and then I could get stuff in around it. But this is not my plan anymore. My plan has changed. So I'm going to have all my change in the middle bit here. I bet I don't have any. Chris rifles through my purse for my change for the vending machines at work all the time, which I don't mind. We are a house where money is just money. It's my money, it's his money. He doesn't have to ask. He has my permission to do that. However, I do just wish he would leave me like £1 coin or something. Do you know what I mean? I do have something in here that I can use as a pound coin though. I have a trolley button. Do you guys in America have these little trolley buttons that you put in the trolley instead of a pound coin? It releases the trolley. Anyway, my change is going to go in there. And then my cards can just slit down here. This, I believe, is going to fit a sticker sheet in it. I'm pretty sure that I read that it will fit an A6 sticker sheet in it. That's a bit too big. Do I have any A6 sticker sheets? What do I have in here? One of these type, I think it means. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Yeah, it fits. It fits. So if you wanted to take your planner somewhere, maybe you're going away for the night and you're just, oh, what was that? That did not come off this. That's come off when I tipped that out, I think. Blimey. Yeah, if you wanted to take your planner somewhere just for a night and you just needed a few stickers and a pen, because the pen will fit in here comfortably, you could get a couple of pens. You're going to get a couple of pens in there and a pair of scissors if you need them. If I had my tweezers to hand, they would go in as well. Oh my gosh. And then my phone. So my phone is a flippy foldy. That will go in here comfortably if I... Hang on, let's take that out of there. Worried I'm going to scratch it. Yeah, this will fit in here and zip up nicely if I wanted to carry it that way. And I think if you are someone that has got a flat phone, I need to just take the screen off the front because I have a phone number on there. Yeah, if you were someone that is going to have a flat phone, I'm pretty sure that you would get your flat phone in here. Like that. So that should give you a good size comparison for this there as well, because that is quite a big phone. Like, that is my hand and that is my phone. Yeah, so I should show you the pen as well. I got a pen. I've just completely forgotten that I got a pen because I've got overwhelmed with this. I'm really annoyed at myself for tipping that over on the table. I haven't got any of it on here though, so that's the main thing. No, we're good. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so I'm going to take a look at the pen. I've almost forgotten to take a look at the pen because I've been so excited about the catch-all. So I have got a very, very chic black and rose gold pen here. Can you see the detailing on there? I'm not sure what this pen is called. I'll have to have a look on the website, but we've got tiny little black metallic balls inside there. We've got rose gold hardware. And it's just got the usual little refill inside of it. If you go on the shop, there are a ton of refills that you can choose from. They usually come with black ink in, I think. Do I have something for scribbly scribblies? They usually come with, yeah, black ink in. I'm pretty sure there are blue inserts in. And I think there are gel or biro in the shop as well. So that's nice. So just go over to the shop and find what you can. Okay, let's have a look at the pens and see if I can find, look at all these. These are new ones, the new releases. I'm going to get sidetracked now. I just saw these come out in the shop, but these are so sort of spring picnic, and I absolutely adore them. The pink one particularly. Let's have a see. It's these ones here, isn't it? I think the She Fancy Looks Collection Limited Edition. This one here that's got all the smaller balls in it. The one here at the beginning is absolutely full of crystals, and the one that I've got is more of the floating one. And actually I do like both, but I think personally I like the floating ones because it's just nice sometimes to get lost playing with your pen. Things like this amuse me for ages. They're just therapeutic, aren't they? I love that. Anyway, right, anyway, it's time I stopped talking. I've been going on with myself for ages. So yeah, that was everything that I was very, very kindly sent. Thank you again, Angel, from the Angel Shop. Yeah, I am a lucky, lucky girl. I needed a cheer up lately, and this has definitely been it. I love this chain that's got like the leather through it. Can you see that? I love that. I think that's absolutely beautiful. And I will do the size comparison on the Stalogy and see if this fits in there as well for you. I'll probably do it in a plan with me video, either from a book log or a Stalogy. I won't do it on here because I think it's going to glare you. But yeah, so if you are a new shopper to the Angel Shop, I do actually have a code that will get you 10% off your first order, and it's anything shop wide. And I've forgotten it, so I'm going to find it for you. It will be in my link tree. If you're looking for codes, head on to my Instagram, go into my link tree, and all of my codes are in here. I'm utterly rubbish at remembering them now, but RachelBeautyPlans will get you 10% off your first order on the Angel Shop website. Definitely, definitely worth using that if you're going to go shopping over there. But for now, that's going to be it from me for today. If you like this video, if you can give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I love you forever, and I'll see you soon. Bye!